very close to the cutting edge in AI, and it scares the hell out of me.
Are you ready for the future of artificial intelligence? Get ready because we're about to step into it together, sooner than you might think.
It is a beautiful drone shot. The kind of video that you might see in a travel video, right? Except it's not real. There is no drone. There is no camera. You can't travel because the video was generated by AI. It's from a new tool just announced a few hours ago by OpenAI called Sora. All it takes is typing in a short text, a prompt, and in minutes it spits out a 60-second video clip of pretty much anything you can imagine.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Man of Info. Do you remember that AI video from over a year ago with Will Smith eating spaghetti? It was pretty impressive back then. We all thought technology like that was years away from being perfected. Guess what? We were wrong. It's advanced way faster than what we had expected. Just look at this drone footage of Greece. This was actually generated by Sora AI. And all of these videos you see on the screen are also generated by Sora. Sora is a new AI model that can create realistic and imaginative videos from text instructions. OpenAI first impressed us over a year ago when they introduced ChatGPT, a revolutionary text-to-text conversation AI. You type a question, and like magic, you get a text response. Then came DALL-E, a groundbreaking text-to-image platform where you just type what you want to see, and it crafts images right before your eyes. And now, it's Sora. It's their latest marvel, a text-to-video platform that delivers your typed descriptions in video form. Just imagine the possibilities. It's not perfect yet, but the progress is undeniable. With Sora, the objects in the videos are much more stable, and though the foreground elements still need some tweaking, they're always improving. This system is a major leap forward. Compared to what we've seen, it's a huge step up. As this technology evolves, telling the difference between real and AI generated will become even more challenging. The AI makes creative decisions to craft the best possible video based on our prompts. And the best part right now is that Sora can generate minute-long videos in crisp 1080 pixel resolution. The future is constantly getting better. Here, let's look at some examples. Sora can not only generate text to video, but also animate photo to video, like the graphic cartoons or the Shiba Inu dog shown on their website. The unique thing about Sora is it connects two videos with different subjects and scene compositions. Just look at these examples. The videos in the center incorporate the corresponding videos on the left and right. It can also create multiple shots from different angles with a single frame of work and a text prompt. Let's get to know the magic behind OpenAI's Sora. Building on the revolutionary transformer architecture which powers the ChatGPT, Sora brings the text to life in a whole new way. Like ChatGPT analyzes text, Sora inspects text prompts to understand and visualize the content. It's like DALL-E in that it also breaks down images, but Sora takes it further by transforming these insights into dynamic videos. Using what's called visual patches, like the text tokens ChatGPT uses, Sora assembles videos using visual patches pixel by pixel, crafting scenes that flow seamlessly from one to the next. It's a blend of hardcore machine learning and pure creativity, enabling Sora to grasp the context of any text and turn it into vivid animations, graphics, and effects. Check out how it transforms a simple description into a stunning visual narrative. Watch as the car and the landscape shift before your eyes in the video. It's not just about watching a scene change, it's about watching a whole world come to life from mere words. OpenAI has just given us a sneak peek at what Sora can do with only a handful of videos. And yes, while each video showcases some mind-blowing capabilities, they're not without their quirks. You might notice a few hiccups if you watch closely. For instance, Sora sometimes struggles with rendering objects consistently, as we see with the chair in this video, which doesn't quite behave as you'd expect a solid object to behave. Even OpenAI's website is upfront about these challenges. It mentions areas where Sora still has room to grow, like maintaining accuracy in complex scenes or getting the physics just right. Think of objects that don't interact with the world as they naturally should, leading to some surreal morphing effects. But despite these imperfections, it's hard not to be wowed. The potential here is massive, and the glimpses we are getting are truly impressive. There are a lot more exciting developments to come. As we explore Sora and its AI-generated content more deeply, we see we're at a crossroads of opportunity and challenge. On one hand, the traditional fields of photography, stock footage, animation, video games, graphic design, and VFX are poised for a major shakeup. AI like Sora could revolutionize how we produce films and games, making the process incredibly efficient. But with that efficiency comes a significant concern: the potential for human skills to become redundant. This shift could redefine entire industries, leading to both excitement and apprehension. While AI might democratize the creative fields, making it easier for more people to participate, it also poses real threats to the livelihoods of seasoned professionals. The economic and social implications are profound, raising pressing questions about how we value human craftsmanship in a new AI-driven landscape. As the impact of AI technologies like Sora continues to unfold, governments worldwide are stepping up, recognizing the need for proactive measures. For instance, Singapore is tackling the challenge head-on with its Skills Future Level Up program. This initiative, a collaboration between the Ministry of Education and industry leaders, focuses on mid-career Singaporeans aged 40 and above, equipping them with the skills needed to thrive in a rapidly evolving job market increasingly driven by AI and other emerging technologies. Meanwhile, over in Europe, the response has been similarly strategic. On March 13th, 2024, the European Parliament made a significant move by formally adopting the EU Artificial Intelligence Act, known as the AI Act. This groundbreaking legislation received the most votes and is the world's first comprehensive law designed to govern AI. It introduces a pioneering three-tier risk classification model to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed in a way that respects fundamental rights and user safety. These steps are crucial as we navigate the complexities of a new digital era. For more detailed information on these initiatives, I've included links in the description below, where you can dive deeper into how these measures shape our future with AI. As we embrace the revolutionary capabilities of Sora AI in content creation, it's crucial to remain alert to the broader consequences it brings along. This new era of video generation is not just about technological advancements, but the societal, economic, and cultural shifts that come with it. As such, we must adopt a proactive stance on adaptation and regulation. Sora marks a profound transformation in industries like video production, advertising, and education, promising to enhance how we create and consume content. However, the risks are undeniable. The significant challenges are spreading misinformation, breaching privacy, and raising ethical dilemmas. We have already seen the dangers of deepfake technology, which underscores the need for careful and responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. OpenAI's commitment to making Sora more accessible through strategic partnerships is admirable, yet transparency is essential. It builds trust and ensures that the technology is used ethically. As we step into this AI-powered future, let's not forget the importance of collective responsibility and ethical stewardship. By doing so, we can truly leverage the transformative potential of Sora AI to enrich our lives and reshape our world for the better. Thank you for watching.